Yo, it's Matt here at FAF Airsoft, and I'm down here in Parker, Colorado at the FAF Airsoft store. With that, we have our Valentine's Fury Airsoft event going on tomorrow, and I want to add a new pistol to my loadout for that event. So I'm going to go in here and see what Joe has to offer me. Yo, Joe! So, I need to get a new pistol here for my loadout to go out to Valentine's Fury tomorrow. So what do you got, man? Tell me.
Well, I think what we'll probably send you out with is my favorite pistol. Currently we sell the Novritsch SSP2. One of the reasons why I picked that gun, well, there's actually two really big reasons why. One, the price for it's only 170 bucks. Second thing too is the upgraded bucking with the hop up inside of there. She's able to run 3.2s, if not heavier BBs right out of the box. So being able to sling rounds more accurately and even further is awesome. And then of course the accessorizing you can do to it. Novritsch has some pretty cool magwell flares in different colors. Purple happens to be some of my favorites. So rocked with a purple flare magwell, and it's awesome. Makes it very easy to insert and de-insert mags. Being able to use her all year round is fantastic. The upgrade parts for it is just right out of the box is phenomenal, being able to fill this heavy BBs, and as well as the capabilities of running like accessories, red dot plates, flashlights with an awesome holster that's holster secure. For 170 bucks, she's a steal.
All right, I'm out here at Flankers Farm Airsoft Field in Parker, Colorado for the Valentine's Fury event. And since I've been playing a whole bunch these days, I wanted to set an achievable standard for myself. So I got my new hat today, #Don'tSuck. I think that's one that I can actually maintain. So we'll go out there, meet some of the players, have some fun. So I brought a couple of visitors today, so I'm excited because I'm actually doing my next generation of airsoft with my son Gary and my daughter Maddie. So they've actually been out and played a couple of times and have fun. And so now they're gonna get out there and play some more today. All right, guys, so one of the players I'm gonna be hanging out with today is Marcus. You've been, how long have you been playing here?
Well, this field I've been playing for about 4 years.
Awesome. You got a pretty sweet piece of kit. So what's your loadout all about here today?
This is World War I, Doughboy style.
Okay,
basically.
So Doughboy style World War I. And what's the whistle, man? What's up with that?
Whistle?
Yeah.
That's what they use in the trenches.
All right, okay, cool. Well, tell me about your gun. What do you got going on
Well,
here?
this is the Snow Wolf MP18. Real wood, full metal. And honestly, for a little gun, it is pretty heavy.
Right on. Well, we're excited to have you out here today, Marcus. Let's go
Thanks,
kick some
man.
butt on the field, all right,
Most
brother?
definitely.
All right, cool. All right, so my loadout today, so I'm using the VFC Avalon carbine here. So I got like the bronze finish version of it, which I think is really cool. And then with that, I added some accessories to it. I always like the red dot. I have my pec box and light when I do some of the night games. Also up here on the front is this Bifrost tracer unit, which gives a nice muzzle flash for our night games. So that's pretty hot. I love this thing. And then here for my sidearm, I have that pistol I picked up from Joe at FAF yesterday. So, and you can see I got that Novritsch holster. I'm excited to check this thing out and see how it does in the field.
Number 12.
All right, well, I want to take a second here to introduce you to one of our staff members. So this is Jake out here. Jake, how long have you been working for us?
I've been working here for about a year and 2 months now.
Year and 2 months, awesome. So what do you like about doing the job?
I honestly just love the community here. We have an amazing community, just coworkers and all. I mean, you know, I see so many people here. I laugh with them, I talk with them. All my coworkers, I look at them like brothers. I mean, they're seriously people I can rely on in times of need.
That's awesome. Yeah, we have a lot of Rockstar team members, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, awesome. Good work out there today, man. Let's keep rocking. Have fun, all right?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, guys. So out here with Eric, who's one of our customers out here at the Valentine's Fury event. So we're gonna get a chance to play together, but I want to ask him a few questions. So Eric, tell me first off, how long you been playing Airsoft and how long you been coming out here?
Well, I've been playing for about 3 years, been coming here about 2 now.
Awesome. All right, so 3 years and then playing here 2 years specifically. And it looks like you got a crazy old gun here. So what is that you have?
Well, the base is just a normal Lance Tactical Gen 2 carbine. Internally, it is entirely upgraded, including the hop-up.
Oh wow, what kind of hop-up is that?
This is the new Max hop-up.
Max
I'm
hop-up.
working on getting a tracer
Awesome.
unit for it.
Right on. So you've done a ton of work on this gun yourself, right? Customizing it
Yeah.
and such? Cool. Now I know you mentioned you're gonna put a tracer unit on the hop-up. So do you come out and play at night games then?
No, but I've been looking at doing that.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, because that's something we do out here too. So we're having the night games where we have to have our tracer units, colored armbands. It's really cool. Well, that's a pretty cool loadout. Now we already got to play the first game of the day, which what was it called? Be My Valentine, right? So that was a pretty fun game. You guys just got to see it there. So how'd you like playing with it? We got to pair up a few times. I think you shot me, I shot you. So did you have fun moving out there?
Yeah, it was a pretty fun game mode.
Right on. Awesome, man. Well, I'm looking forward to playing with you on this round. We're having a good time, right, brother?
Yep. Yeah.
Bam. All right.
Did you get 100 to 12 dice out on the field? Your objective is to find those 12 dice. There's also going to be a craft table right next to the red tower. What's going to happen is once you find those dice, you're going to run over to that craft tower and you're going to roll that dice.
So we just got done with a game in the hay bale maze. That was the Luck Be a Lady. It's pretty awesome, rolling dice, playing craps. And coolest thing over here though too is got to get a lot of good kills. I got shot a ton, a lot by this knucklehead here, okay? So this is Nick, by the way. Tell us a little bit about your airsoft journey here, man.
Well, I started here when I was really young, renting from you guys, using just your guys' rentals. It took a long break and now I'm back. The night games really got me back into it and I've been loving coming here every weekend.
Awesome, yeah. So Nick and I actually been playing at some of our night games. I think we actually had one game where we did like a one-on-one and he was just blasting me left and right across the field. But anyways, we're having a great time. You having fun out here today,
Yes,
man?
sir.
Right on, awesome. Let's keep kicking butt, all right?
Thank you, sir. You as well.
Yeah, bam.
Long-driven ASL. Who wants it? Who wants it?